How to add return option in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's just go and get to it. First, you want to log into your Shopify store. Go to settings from the bottom left. And then you simply just want to go to the policies section here at the bottom. Once you click on that, you want to click on return and refund policy. Click on that and make sure you add your policy in here. You can insert the template and just make sure you go through it, all of it, and make sure you replace things with the proper ones, because some text here are going to be certain placeholders that you'll need to replace. For example, here, as you can see, insert return address. You don't want to leave that as it is. You want to go through the entire thing. Make sure you edit the whole thing to what you actually want to have your policy to be. So once you're done, click on publish, and now you have your return and refund policy ready. So after we're done with the return and refund policy, we can just click on return rules, which should be off by default, and click on manage. Let's just go and set up a few things. So the return window, you can make it 14 days, 30, 90, unlimited, or even custom. So it's completely up to you. Let's just say 14 days. And then you also have the return shipping cost. It's free return shipping by default, but again, you can just feel free to choose which one that is going to be suitable for your business model. Next, you also have the restocking fee here. If you check this, you're going to have the option for the percentage of it. It's again up to you. And you also have final sale items that you can add in here. In this, you can add some products that you make sure or add in here. And whichever product that you add in here, people cannot actually request to return. It's not going to be valid. People can't return them. So you can just select specific products and you can just add these products. For example, if they buy this test event general admission ticket, they're not going to be able to return it. So now that we have all of this, we want to turn it on from the top right and click on save. If we just go back to the policies section, now we can actually find that we have both the return and refund policy. Obviously, it's a review because I did not edit anything from it. And we also have the return rules and we have it turned on. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.